It's been a hell of a week. So much stuff's broken. Stuff that I didn't even initially know. No frame damage, thank God, but damn, I'm gonna have to order so many parts. I'm gonna get back to digging on it. So, as most of you guys have seen, I crashed my car. If you guys haven't seen it, click somewhere on the screen and there's a link to it. But for everybody who has, we're going through all the damage and it's a lot. I damaged the headlight, like the top of it's good, but the bottom is just all cracked and destroyed. Damaged the front bumper. I don't know if there's any replacing that because it's pretty messed up. Damaged the front lip, which is just, the whole piece is just missing from that. I lost the side marker, one of the chrome ones. It's just gone, don't know where it's at. The fender's cracked. It broke where the vents mount to and just got cracks all over, cracks on the side. There's like mounting points that are ripped off the car with the fender. Oil cooler's messed up. Thankfully it didn't leak, but the fittings are all bent and twisted, so I gotta order another one. Lower radiator support's all tweaked. It's just like one side sticking out this way and the other side straight. So I'm gonna try to hammer that back, but if it doesn't work, I'm gonna have to replace that. Upper control arm's destroyed. The strut needs to be sent out to feel coilovers. The door looks like someone just peeled off a piece of fiberglass on it on the outside and the inside. The lower rocker's just cracked. The headlight bucket is completely destroyed. It's cracked everywhere. And the upper fender well is cracked too. I don't know if you guys know anything about Corvettes, but usually when this stuff's damaged, including the rocker, it's like a totaled car, insurance-wise. And there's probably more stuff I haven't found yet, but going from all that, you know, it's just a lot of damage, a lot of stuff to fix. And some of these things, I don't even know if I'm gonna put it back on the car because if I crash again, it's, you know, I gotta keep fixing it. It's rough. It's rough. So we had a bunch of parts come in. This isn't everything, but these are definitely things that are gonna help us get rolling. First, we have the Duraley oil cooler. This is gonna be the third one I've put on this car because the first one I blew up my motor. The second one, thankfully it's not leaking, but it got all bent up. And this is the 19-row stacked plate oil cooler. So this thing keeps my oil temps down and is definitely needed on the Vette. Next, we got something from Derm Dude. So this is actually part from my car. But it makes you smell good, and I like to smell good at the track. And what else did they give us? Oh, sick. We also got a sticker. You know we love those stickers. Next, something I should have done before I was drifting this car, which people have told me, is to stud my upper control arm bolts. And I did not do that, and that's why I have the issues I'm having. Which now I have to like rethread the whole thing in the frame, and I don't know, that's just an issue. So we've got the studs, the nuts, the washers, and then we've got shims too. And these shims right here are to adjust your front camber and caster. They have like the factory adjustment bolts, but those shims are super important for quick adjustments. And also we have instructions. So that's sick. There is no stickers though, so I'm probably gonna return it. No, I'm just kidding. And then next, the big box. Ball joints, ball joints, ball joints, ball joints. I don't think I needed that many ball joints, but we got them anyways. I was hammering on the upper knuckle trying to get this old ball joint off, and that thing's all loose and floppy and it's not greasable. So I figured I might as well just replace them. And then I've got control arms. So pretty stoked about these. I got just 2 brand new ones to replace the sides because my bushings are probably worn. And I got it all from Rock Auto because that's usually where I buy all my stuff. And favorite thing about Rock Auto is that they give you a magnet. And Rock Auto didn't send me a magnet. Maybe it's in the other box, but if it's not Rock Auto, we're gonna have a talk. I want my magnets. They're all over my fridge. And this right here, I made a post on my Instagram, said I'd give $100 to everybody who could figure out what's in the boxes. Everybody got most of the stuff right except for this one. All right, guys, this is the tricky one nobody could figure out. Hatch struts, because my hatch just wants to fall down. So it wasn't anything for the front. Oh, snap. And I got my magnet. Thank you, Rock Auto. I was about to cry if I didn't get my magnet. But yeah, these are just some of the parts. I definitely have to get more body parts. I have to hit up stage wheels on a wheel because my wheel is destroyed. I have to send the coilover back to feel. I don't know, there's just other stuff too, but these are just half the parts, so I'm gonna get to installing these. Well, since I'm gonna be ordering a bunch of parts, what do you guys recommend I should get? Definitely want a new wide body kit. But we'll see. See you guys on the next one.